Aqua device operates on the Advanced Remote Sensing System (LDS), integrated with voice recognition system for the path and point of presence of the target. The Aqua device is characterized by its high accuracy of frequency waves, which enables it to identify and detect groundwater sites with extreme precision. It is also small in size and easy to use, and can be placed in the pocket and mobility with all ease and ease. Explanation of parts and segments of the machine. Carrying case. Main unit for tuning and searching. Carrying handle. Transfer antennas. How to install the device. Connect the telescopic antennas to their own places in the front of the front part of the device. Plug the handle into its socket at the bottom of the device. The main unit of the device consists of the following. Front interface. It consists of outlets of the search waves and frequencies, to which the transmitting and receiving antennas are connected. The optical control interface consists of 3 sections. Optional target interface. Search depth levels. Levels of search distance control. Power unlock switch. Volume control key. Search target selection key. Search depth selection key. Search distance selection key. Start searching and scanning key. Optical indicators of the search process. Optical indicators of battery level. Back interface. Handle connecting socket. Audio output. Battery holder. Device properties and function. To turn the device on, press and hold the power key for 3 seconds. To control the volume levels, using the volume key, press intermittently on the key to change the level. The device operates on 4 batteries of 1.5 AAA type. It can be changed after the batteries are dead, else the rechargeable batteries will be used. Battery level indicators are full when the batteries are full. The indicators have got 3 different levels with 3 different colors, which decrease downward as battery power is reduced. The indicators are green, yellow, red before the power is out of the battery. The red color starts to flash. How to set up your device to search. Turn the device on with the power key. First, select the type of water to be searched for by pressing the target button, and you will notice the change in the optical indicators of the target interface section at the top of the device. Each type of water has its own light. The objectives are all kinds of water, salty water, mineral water, and natural water. Second, determine the level of search depth required by pressing the depth key, and you will notice the change in levels in the depth interface. There are several levels of depth: 25 meters, 50 meters, 100 meters, 150 meters, 200 meters. Specify the level of distance required to search by pressing the distance key, and you will notice the change in the levels in the distance interface. There are several distances are 25 meters, 50 meters, 100 meters, 150 meters, 200 meters. Finally, press the scan button to start the search process, and you will notice that the optical indicators of the search have started to work. And note, trigger the voice alarm. This indicates that the device is ready to start the search. How to start search? Set up the telescopic transceiver antennas. The user must carry the device through the handle and front it towards the round for 15 seconds to identify the soil. The system is equipped with automatic tuning system, ATS, to work with all types of topography and rocky, mountainous, sandy, and clay soil. The position of the device must be adjusted horizontally, where the device is horizontal with the ground. That is, the direction of the location of the target. Then the device should be fixed in the same path. Repeat the previous method away from the first read point by at least 10 meters by side to confirm the path and point of presence of the target. If the device goes to the same path as the first reading, the process can be repeated again for a third time, moving away from the second reading point at least 10 meters sideways to confirm the target for the last time. In the meantime, we scan and install the location and path of the target by pressing the scan key again, and notice that the device has started to launch an audio alert towards the target location. If we notice that the user completely changed direction and the device is turned in reverse, the sound alarm will stop. How to locate the target point? Walk with the device and follow the device's pointing signal and voice alarm towards the target until you reach a point that the device will swing back and stop the voice alarm, which means that you have exceeded the target. Then turn the device backwards and walk slowly until you find that the device has turned, and turn again after you exceeded the target point. Note, when you start the process of tracking the target path, you will notice that the device produces a continuous audio signal towards the target site and light the midlight in indicators of the search. But if you exit the correct path of the target direction, this sound will be interrupted and the device will make a different sound, indicating the status of an error. The device will also guide you on your right path through the left and right cursor to guide you on the right track that you will track to reach the target. Thank you for watching.